All right, thanks for coming on tonight to take a look at your math homework. Question 548. Evan decided to give 10% of his money to charity. So this month he wrote the calculation at the right, explain why the calculation is appropriate, and finish it for him. Well, it is correct or appropriate because 10% is equal to 1/10 there. The one thing here in your book, you could solve it this way, or in your book, it does actually say 152.6. So if you're going to multiply that by 0.1, you're going to get a different answer than this 1,526. All right, they're looking for Lukman here. I guess that's school. Again, just multiply it. Remember to move your decimal one place to the right here. So you got to move it one place to the left. If you do my $152.60, you're going to have to move 2 to the right here, which would be 1, 2 in your answer. Question 549. Melissa's resodding her yard, so she's replacing the grass. Her backyard is a rectangular lawn, so it measures 24.5 by, which I'm just going to use a decimal because I, again, don't like using fractions if I don't have to, by 18. Then she has 2 rectangular areas in her front yard. One is 18.5 by 14.5. And then the other one would be 12.5, which is shorter than the 14.5. So again, remember when we are multiplying with our decimals, you'd set it up. I usually write my numbers with more. There's 3 digits here, so I write that on top. I only write my 18. We just line our numbers up when we're multiplying. So again, remember after you solve your, multiply by your 8 and then come over one place, multiply by your 1, you're going to move 1 decimal to the right, so your answer is going to have 1 decimal to the left. Moving down to the last page, again, same thing here. You can use mental math. Again, you can do 7 times 4 and then move your decimals over 3 places. Or again, set them up, line your numbers up, not your decimals. Now for this one, your decimals do line up, so it's different. Again, 1 place, 2 place, so your answer is going to be 2 places. 551, we got a little algebra. Here's my rope. I have 4 pieces that are unknown, so I can call that X. We had this on our chapter 4 test, similar. They do then tell you that the length is 10, what we know, and they said the total length of the rope is 30. So how long are our missing pieces? Again, they are all the same length. I guess I drew the diagram for you, so you just have to solve how long each piece is. And again, B, if you weren't paying attention in class, it is 19 over 25. Just to show you one by model, the portion web, it's usually a triangle shape. The fractions on top. So here's my 1/4. I think if I look back here, the decimals in the right-hand corner. So I know 1/4, that's 25%. So I put that there. And then my left side of the triangle is my decimal, which I can just put 25 hundredths. And then somewhere, either on the bottom, which I don't have any room, in my middle, you have to write any of these in words. So I could just simply write 1/4. Whoops, spelling wrong. So again, for the next 3, make sure you have, again, they give you the fraction, so I need the decimal, the percent, and it in words, and you'll get all those correct. So hopefully pretty quick tonight. I guess this guy's got something about BPM over here, so I'm going to get going. It's 50-some degrees. 10-mile run is calling my name. So have a good night. Ask us questions if you have any in class. Take it easy.